Hi, my name is Eunice, and today I'll be showing you how to set up a distillation experiment and how to use it. So first of all, the first thing you will do is you're going to take the round bottom flask and you're going to place it inside the distill heating equipment, and what you're going to do is, before you do anything else, you're going to add 2 to 3 anti-bumping granules. Then what you're going to do is you're going to connect the top of the round bottom flask to a condenser, and you're going to connect the receiving adapter to the end of the condenser, and then you're going to place a beaker underneath to collect any fluid. Then when you're attaching the condensing tubing, you connect the end closest to the receiving adapter to a tap with cold water, and the other tubing is attached to the end closer to the round bottom flask, and that's going to go into a drain. Make sure that all the tubing and any wires are facing away from any direct heat to avoid any heat problems. And make sure you turn on the water before you add any liquid or start heating up anything, and the water must be at a steady flow and it must be cold. And then once that happens, you're going to add your liquid via funnel. So you're going to remove the top. Obviously you have to add your thermometer to the round bottom flask, and the thermometer must be in position so that it hits the condensed liquid, and that's an accurate reading. And then so you're gonna put a funnel here, and you're gonna add your liquid. So you have to remove the still head before you add a funnel, and you're going to heat this until it's boiling, where you check the temperature via here. And you must record your temperature rise in whatever the specific temperature gap is, and you have to replace the flask until the temperature steadies again, and you keep doing this. Whenever the temperature steadies, you replace the liquid in the flask. Whenever this flask fills up with water, you replace it. Condensing liquid. Once you've collected all your water, and once the distillation is over, at which point temperature change is steady, then you switch off all the apparatus, but it is imperative to wait for the apparatus to cool down before you remove any liquid to avoid any explosives. You need to wait until all the liquid cools, and then you're going to shut down the water tap after it's cooled down, and then you're done with the distillation.